How to import images to Silhouette Studio JPG, BMG, PNG files. Step 1. In Silhouette Studio, click the open icon on the top left side of the toolbar. Step 2. Select the image file you want to upload and click OK. Step 3. Now you can resize or recolor the image as required. Step 4. If you are using Silhouette Studio on Mac, you can simply drag and drop it into the mat. Step 5. Once you've imported the image, go to Trace in the right panel. Step 6. Click Select Trace Area, click and drag a box around the image and click Trace. Step 7. Now you can go ahead and make changes to the file as required for the project. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.